Stock Android, premium hardware, these are things that a lot of people want with great cameras. And I think the Xiaomi Mi A1 is a phone that actually offers that at a nice price tag. Now right now on GearBest, this is actually selling for $209. I would advise if you purchase from GearBest, always choose the express shipping because it won't take very long. I get the items in like 3 days or so with this express shipping. But if you just want the free shipping, that's perfectly fine. But I will say that the Xiaomi Mi A1 has been a phone that has been very impressive. It does get 4G LTE in the US. I've done a separate video on that, so I'll try to leave as many links in the description as I can. Also with links to purchase this great phone. It does work very well in the US. It is the global version, so if you get it, make sure you use the links in the description. That way you're getting the right one. I've tested this on T-Mobile, AT&T, and Cricket, 4G all the way. No drops, SMS, everything works. I think you'll be highly impressed if you decide to pick this up. It does have 4 gigs with 64 gigs of RAM. Super smooth, buttery smooth. Snapdragon 625 is a tried and true processor. Cameras on this thing, to me, it may look like an iPhone 7, but the cameras actually still do perform like an iPhone 7 Plus. These are great. Telephoto lens on here is absolutely stunning. I've done so many videos on this phone to try to convince people, hey, I'm telling you, if you're tight on a budget or you just don't like to spend a lot of money on phones, this is one that you could possibly get. Premium hardware, slim design, 3 different colors, all down below. Type-C, headphone jack. It's got everything with fantastic cameras. So I'll leave a link down below. Just want to do a quick video, let you know that this thing is on sale, so you need to hurry up and grab it while you can. Take care.